Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. You know the vibes. So in these videos we share life experiences, we gist and we chat. But first of all, if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? So please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell beside it so you know when next I upload a new video. I'm gonna try to stay consistent, you guys. So I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to do that, okay? Done that? Okay, thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about something most of us can relate with. We've all been there, we've met this kind of men, and in today's video I want to tell you guys how to know if he just wants sex. Sometimes that is all they want, and they're going to try to trick you into thinking that they want something more, they want commitment, whereas they only want the first sign to know if a guy only wants sex, which is the most obvious sign, is if he is overly sensual or all his discussions are always sensual. Every time you're having a conversation with a guy and he's always like, please send me your pictures, please take the camera down, please, and when can I see you? You look sexy, what are you wearing? I loved your outfit today, I love how it made your body look. He's always talking about your body, he's always talking about sexual things, he's always asking when you're gonna come to his place to chill. That guy just wants sex. And the second sign is if he's not interested in getting to know things about you. And when I mean things about you, I mean your career goals, your ambitions, who you are, your personality, your temperament and stuff like that. He doesn't want to hear about that. He doesn't want to talk about serious things like that. He always wants to talk about superficial things. And then whenever you try to talk about serious things with him, he always finds a way to cut the discussion off or just gives an excuse to run away. That guy just wants sex from you. Now the third sign is if he only calls you or hits you up when he wants to see you. Guys, whenever they want things, they pursue it intentionally. If he only calls you when he wants to see you, when he wants to chill with you, when he wants to have a drink with you, that is the only time he calls you. That guy just wants sex. The fourth sign is if you have doubt in your mind that this guy just wants to have sex with you, don't doubt yourself. You must have seen signs or things that made you think, oh, this guy is not a serious person at the end of the day. Do not ignore those signs. Your mind is telling you the right thing. Listen to yourself. The guy wants sex. The next thing to look out for is a guy who doesn't care about your feelings or the things that are important to you. Now this is related to, I think, the second point that I made, but it's a bit different. Now sometimes when you're talking to a guy and you're talking about how you feel, how your day was, how someone is making you feel, your emotions and stuff like that, and he zones out, that guy is not serious with you. He likely just wants a fling, or he probably just wants to have sex with you. Now when a guy is really interested in you, he wants to know how your day went, he wants to know every single detail about you. Guys are intentional about who they want to pursue. Stop making excuses for him like, oh, he's a busy person, or he doesn't like communication and stuff like that. No, he's just not interested in you. He doesn't want to get to know the real you. He doesn't care about how you feel. He doesn't care about your personal emotions or the things that are important to you. He just wants to sleep with you. Another sign to look out for is a guy who always forgets things or who makes the same mistake over and over. If a guy is really interested in getting to know you for who you are and wants something serious with you, he's going to remember. He's going to remember what you like, your preferences, things you tell him. But if he just wants a fling, and if he wants something very temporary, he's not going to remember, because he's probably doing it with other girls. So he might not even remember where you live, he might not even remember your surname at the end of the day. So guys always remember things that are important to them. So if he's always forgetting things, or you're supposed to meet up today and he forgot, or he was supposed to do something and he forgot, or you reminded him of something, or you told him something that you like or something that is important to you and he forgot, and he always forgets every single time, this guy is not interested in you. He probably just wants a fling, or he wants to have sex with you. Another obvious thing to look out for is a guy who doesn't want to define things with you. Some guys are like that. They don't want to define what you're doing, like, let's just be friends, let's just see how it goes, let's just hook up, let's just chill and see where it goes from there. No! Guys know what they want. Again, they are serious about who they want to be with, and they are intentional about who they want to pursue. If it's always like, no, I don't know what we are, let's just roll and see where it goes, this guy wants to fling with you, and you need to be wise to dissociate yourself from this kind of person. Except maybe that is what you want. Final point is looking out for a guy who is very secretive and who doesn't want to open up himself to you. Sometimes when a guy just wants a fling or something temporary with you, he doesn't want to bring you into his life. He doesn't want you to get to know him very well. He doesn't want you to get involved in his personal business and stuff like that. He doesn't want you to know his friends, his family. He doesn't just want you to get entangled in his personal space, so he keeps you away from everything that means something to him. So he probably wants you to just know things on the periphery about him, so that once he's done with you, you can't be able to trace him back. Again, I am not a professional. These are just things that I have learned and things I've experienced, and I hope that they helped you. If this video was helpful and you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. Let us get this channel to 100 subscribers. Okay, let's grow together. Please make sure you follow me on my socials, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.